Today's DIY, we're going to head over to the dollar store and we're going to grab a metal colander. And we are going to make a hanging lamp out of this. So what you want to do is you just want to go and find a colander that has a shape that you like. First thing you'll be doing is taking the handle off, and it actually will just slip out pretty easily. If you need pliers, you can grab some. Then we're going to grab some gold spray paint and spray it all gold so it just changes the whole look of it. And that dries super quick. Then we are going to add these cool kind of bell-like little trinkets at the bottom that I found that I just love. And we're going to grab some twine that I got from the dollar store and cut that about 4-inch length and fold it in half and take the loop side and you're going to put it through the bell. And you could do this with any bell or trinkets that you find at the dollar store. And then you're just going to continue doing this on all the bells until you have enough bells to go all the way around your chandelier. And this could be a really unique chandelier for your style. So maybe you want to add shells or crystals or something that you find at the dollar store or when you're out shopping, maybe even at a craft store. And then we're just going to continue on until we have enough. And after we have enough, we're going to start adding it to our chandelier. So grab your first bell and you're going to tie it right onto the chandelier. And I kind of chose to do it wherever these loops are. You kind of see these loops at the bottom. And that's where I'm going to hang each bell. And I'm going to alternate between different styles of the bell. And I'm just going to continue all the way around, double knotting it, and not worrying about the length of the twine until the end. I'm just going to trim it off at the end. When you have enough bells all the way around your chandelier, you're going to grab some scissors and you're just going to trim off the little excess tails. And I like to keep a tiny little tail still remaining because it's kind of a cool boho kind of vibe. Now we're going to grab a wood bead garland, and I chose one that was more geometric. And what it is just some beads that have a knot in between. And you can get some round ones at the dollar store. I just chose some more geometric. And you're going to go all the way around and measure the length just to fit right in that little ledge right there. And then grab some hot glue. And this is some Gorilla Glue, hot glue, which I love. And you're going to glue the twine. And then you're just going to reinforce it and glue it again right on the inside. And this totally holds up. The twine and the Gorilla Glue are really a strong bond. Next, I'm going to grab some rope that I also got at the dollar store. And I'm going to tie that in a knot right at the top. And then I have about a 2.5-inch length that I left. And I'm going to grab some twine. And I'm going to wrap that around a bunch of times and knot that to make it secure and strong. And now you're probably wondering, how are we going to light this? Now you could get a cord with a light bulb and put it through there, but I decided to make it a cordless chandelier that I can hang in an area where I don't have a plug. So I'm going to use a battery operated light bulb, and it has like a little holster with a magnet, and you hot glue that in there. And then I decided I didn't want it to be white so that since it's an open chandelier, so I put some frog tape along the top of my light bulb. And then I took the same gold spray paint and I sprayed the entire outside of the light bulb. And just want to make sure that you're going to put tape also on the magnetic side that you're using to adhere to put it in there. See, I put a little piece of paper in there. That's the magnet side, just so that you don't get any spray paint in there. And then you put the little light bulb in there and you have a chandelier. Look how cute this is. Wait till you see it hanging. So I put this in our guest bathroom and hung it there, and see, it has a remote control. And it is so cute and very boho chic, and I love the way it turned out. And I can see it in so many different variations. I can see it, like I said, you can even have like little pom-poms on it. Really anything, because this light fixture is so easy, so versatile, and the style possibilities are endless.
I hope you guys loved today's DIY. I think it turned out fantastic, and I hope you guys tried this one at home. And until next time, bye.
First, let's center the ball, the small ball and the big ball. So the bigger ball is a bit not even, but I think it's gonna look pretty cool this way, so let's try it. Next step would be to drill the hole in the center. We need to drill through both of the balls, you know, like in the middle. And the ones that I'm using, they're plastic, but I'm pretty sure that you can do this with ceramics. I just didn't want to try it. So this one is called Spade Drill Bit, and I'm using the one with a 3/4 of an inch, but maybe I'll need a bigger hole later. But I'm gonna try with this one first. Successful! And then we're gonna do another thing over here. And the next step, we're gonna prime these balls with white paint. When the balls are primed and they dry, the next step will be to add some texture to it. So for the colors, I'm gonna combine the Kalahari Sunset color. It's just like a color sample from Bear, and also Fresh Croissant by Bear as well. Then we're gonna add a little bit of soda, and we're gonna start mixing it up. You see, you just need to create this paste with bubbles, because the soda, baking soda, gonna create bubbles, and then when you apply it on your vase, in this case when we apply it on the bowl, it's just gonna give this nice textured terracotta effect. Try to make the stroke in the same directions horizontally. I think this way it kind of looks more cohesive and looks better. And then we're gonna let it dry. Oh my god, look at this chalky texture. So satisfying. When the balls are both dry, we're gonna connect them. And to connect them, I'm simply gonna put the this like lightning cord through, and yeah, it's gonna hold it, both of them together. So we have this very, very pretty combination, and to connect them together. So here's the thing, that they're gonna be held by the pendant. They're gonna be held by the pendant cord. But to make this transition like look nice over here, I'm gonna use hot glue gun and this this little piece of I don't know, what is it called, like cane or something? But anyways, we're gonna just wrap it around. But here's the thing about the hot glue gun, when we're gonna attach both of them, both of these balls, yeah, don't think that that's gonna hold it. I mean, I really don't think that this thing gonna hold it. And then we're gonna hang it. I didn't have the light, so I just attached the pack light to it.